If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Blom Bank Egypt, this guide will help you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions carefully to ensure a successful cancellation. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Blom Bank Egypt online banking account using your credentials. Make sure you are connected to a secure internet connection to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, locate the transfers or payments section in the main menu. This is where you can view all your recent and pending transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. In the transfers section, look for the pending transfer you wish to cancel. It should be listed among your recent transactions. Click on it to view the details. Step 4. Select the cancel option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. You will likely be prompted to confirm your decision to cancel the transfer. Review the details and confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. Make sure to check your account for updates and ensure that the funds are returned to your account. If you encounter any issues, contact Blom Bank customer service for further assistance.